Howdy you all. Well, today's video is just a short tour or a quick tour of the Melbourne Treasury Gardens. And of course this video will be part of Gail's collaboration, Garden Tour Club. Gail, of course, of her channel, Gail Southern Living. So please just sit back, watch and enjoy, and don't forget that there is prize draws for this collaboration every month also. So please just sit back, watch and enjoy. And of course it's midwinter here, so it's a pretty grey day here, so please do excuse the dimness. Oh, I've got to be careful walking around here. It's a little bit muddy underfoot. John F. Kennedy, 1917 to 1963. And it's certainly a beautiful little garden and very soothing to come here. Anyways, we're going to call it now for the day. So if you've watched this little video through to the very end, I thank you and I appreciate you so much. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. And please do smash that little bell and choose all alerts. Also, please do consider becoming a member of my channel, and that would be much appreciated, and I do love my channel members. We do have some wonderful members who have been with me for a fair while, thank you, and also my new members. Also a big thank you to those members who have been gifted out memberships by YouTube, and also those members who I have personally gifted out memberships to myself. Also, please do check out my merch store. And this hoodie that I'm wearing is an example of what's on my merch store, even though you probably cannot see it very well. There we go. And links down below in the description, and there's also a shopping tab here on my channel. So please do check that out. Please do share this video out with all your family and friends. I would love to have a video to go viral, and that would really help me achieve my dream and would be much appreciated. But anyways, time to call it. So take care, God bless, and until next time, bye bye.